In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes and shares on your Instagram posts. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing we need to do is open the Instagram application. Then we refresh it to ensure we are up to date. Then the next thing we'll do is click on our profile picture. This is located in the right at the bottom. Click on it. Then we click on the hamburger sign. The hamburger sign are the three bars at the top here. Just click on it. Allow it to load. Then we scroll down. Just scroll down. And guys, if you find this video helpful, remember to like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips like just scroll down and click like and share accounts. Okay. Then here you can toggle this to the right to hide likes and share. With this, the number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the number of likes on your own post and reels by going to advanced settings before sharing. Okay, thank you guys. If you find value in this video, remember to drop me a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Okay, thank you.